Hi guys, Brit Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up your Amazon Fire Stick with Alexa voice remote. And one thing you need to make sure you have in order to do this successfully is an HDMI cable hookup in the back of your TV. If you do not have this hookup for this cable, I'm sorry, but it's not going to work. So, what does an HDMI cable hookup look like? Well, you see the tip right here. And the hookup, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark, but it's going to be like that. See if I can zoom in. But sorry, it's kind of dark in here, but that's what the hookup looks like. Okay, so pretty much I just took it out of the box. It's brand new. Firestick TV. Let's see what we have in here. This looks like a charger. Yeah, charging cable. Let's push this out. That's the, what is this? Oh, this is the extender, I think. Yeah, this looks like an extension, just in case it's not long enough. Your HDMI cable. And you have the little socket charger thingy. You have the batteries that Amazon provides you with. And by the way, you can pick one of these up at Target, Best Buy, Amazon.com, you name it. I don't think Walmart has it though, unfortunately. But let me see. This looks like the actual HDMI cable. Struggling trying to do this with one hand. Sorry. Okay, guys. So, oh, just dropped it. So I got the remote out, got this out. I actually hooked the charger up to it because I wasn't sure if it was charged already. So this is plugged in to the wall, charging. And this extender goes in there, so I'm just gonna add it to it with one hand. Let's see if this works. I guess just to extend it, make it longer. Okay, got it. So now we're gonna put it in the back of the TV. Like so. Okay. Guess we can put an HDMI 1 hookup. There we go. So it's plugged into the back of the TV now. And now we have to take the remote and put the batteries in. So this says lift up. So I'm assuming, oh, that was pretty easy. And you just take it off. Put the batteries in. Let's see. It has both of them facing the same direction, so that's cool. Usually it's opposite ends, but they're working with us. Okay. Put that cap back on. I'm doing pretty good for one hand. One-handedness, if that's a word. Okay. Now let's see how do we do this? We got everything put together, now how do we set it up? Okay, so now that we have everything hooked up, the instructions say to turn to the HDMI 1 setting on your TV. So on the remote, I'm gonna press input and go to HDMI 1. It's on HDMI 2. See, PC, TV. Come on. Component, AV. One more. HDMI 1. So this should be it. Oh, there we go. So that's my Wi-Fi. Now I gotta set up my Wi-Fi. Let's see if I can do that. And I should be able to press the home button. There we go. Now I gotta put the password in for my Wi-Fi. And then select, what do I select? Oh, connect right there. I guess once I finish putting in the password, it'll ungray this and I'll be able to select it. So be right back. Okay guys, so like I said, I entered the Wi-Fi information, I clicked connect, and then it went to this screen. So I guess it's like downloading or whatever. doing what it needs to do to set the Fire Stick up. And I'm also, after this video, I'm going to do a video on how to install Kodi as well, because I know everybody likes free movies. Shh. But yeah, so look out for that video. So just an update, guys. It went from that screen and then it said Amazon Fire Stick shutting off or switching off. Then it switched off for maybe 5 seconds and then it came back on with this. So it's still installing. Don't know what that was about, but yep, current update. And I will be back when this finishes. Okay, y'all. Looks like it's setting up. Psych. This came up right after that screen. Boy, this takes a long time. OMG. Current situation. Hey guys, so this screen came up. And I guess if you don't have an Amazon account, you create one, but I have one already. So I'm going to select register. I already have an Amazon account. And what you do in order to select, you just press this home button in the center. Or not the home button, but this little circle thing. Okay, and then I have to put in my email and my password and then click next. And yeah, I'll update you as I go. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I clicked next after I put in my password and my email for my Amazon account. Then it said completely registered and it brought me to this. So, hi Brittany Love, your Amazon Fire TV Stick is registered to Brittany Love. Do you want to use this account? And I'm going to click yes, continue as Brittany Love. And yes, that's my real last name. Okay. Save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. Yeah, go ahead. Your Amazon Fire Stick is designed with kids and parents in mind. No parental controls. Checking network speed, Fire TV Stick. Hey, and we have action.
Let's take a quick tour of your new Fire TV Stick. Streaming shows and movies just got a whole lot easier.
Hope that helped.
Fire TV
I wanted to share one more thing. So after it did that little introduction, it came to this screen and I'm going to choose apps. So select all the apps you want so you can customize it. I'm going to choose Hulu because I do have a Hulu. I guess we'll go let's see, really only use Hulu, Netflix, and YouTube. Let's see, but they offer all of these, which is great. Okay, so I guess that's it. I don't know. That's all the ones that I can use. So that's just what's popular though. And then it says press the play button to continue down at the bottom. One free app will be downloaded. Download app. So I guess Hulu wasn't offered in the regular lineup. Okay, so there's Netflix, music, photos, all the stuff, and Hulu is right there. So, okay. So, yeah, guys, there you have it.